Hey girls, what's up? My name is Mimi and today's video is sponsored by Queen Virgin Grammy Hair, and they sent me their 22-inch kinky straight V-part wig, and this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. First off, I love the texture and density of this wig. So this wig comes with an adjustable strap which is removable, and it also comes with a string for that extra security, and it has 4 combs in front of it and clips on the side of the hair as well. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I install this wig in 2 different ways, using the crochet method and the leave out method. To start, I already have my hair braided down and ready for this install, so let's get to it. Clipped my hair so that I don't have my hair all over the place. Yes, so I just bobby pinned everything down and it is finally time to start. So I just unclip the hair, place it on my head and clip it back into my anchor braids for that extra security. Now for the crochet method, I am going to leave my hair as is. I'm not applying any form of heat to this hair because this is going to be like a form of protective hairstyle. For the crochet pin, this is what I am using. This is what it looks like. You insert the crochet pin underneath your braids and then you pull some hair into the hook and then you pull it out. Again, you insert the crochet pin, you pull some hair into the hook and then you pull it out. So I'm just going to repeat this process until I complete the entire hair. Finally done with the installation. Honestly, this method is very beginner friendly. Anyone can do this. How will anyone know that this is not my hair? I mean, this looks freaking gorgeous. It looks really natural. I mean, this could pass for my hair actually. Like, this is my hair, okay? Moving over to the second method, which is the leave out part. But before then, I'm going to show you how I uninstall the hair. So this is quite difficult for me to explain, but as you can see in the video, I just use my comb to go through, and yeah, that's it. Now for the leave out method, I am going to be applying heat to my hair. I want the hair to still maintain the kinky texture, but a little bit less bulky than it already is. So I'm just using my flat iron to straighten the hair a little bit. I'm using my flat iron at a 210 degree. So yeah, right now I'm just flat ironing my hair, and I just do this to the entire hair. And this is what the hair looks like after flat ironing the entire head. It's super gorgeous. OMG, I am in love with this hair. I mean, look how natural and sleek. I mean, it looks sleek, but then it's giving my real hair. So at this point, I just took out the braids that I have in front of my hair, and this is me just using a heat protectant on my hair so that I can go ahead and blow dry the hair and then flat iron the hair for that leave out. And of course, this is going to be a middle part, so I'm just using my rattle comb to pat my hair, and I'm making sure I get it really straight, or as straight as I can, before I go ahead and straighten the hair. And to flat iron my hair, I made sure that I used a reasonable amount of heat on my hair, not enough to damage my hair, but enough to straighten it so that it matches the kinky straight hair. And yes, a bust down middle part look will always be a vibe for me, will always be my go-to. So yeah, I'm just combing through the hair and making sure everything blends seamlessly, and I think I actually achieved that. To finish this off, I'm using a wax stick just to make sure everything blends seamlessly together. Then I comb through and make sure the pattern is perfect, or at least close to perfect. And yeah, this is what the hair looks like. I absolutely love the results. I think it's really cute and worthy, super easy, very beginner friendly. And yes, so this is what the hair looks like after styling. It's giving a quick wave. It's giving it's my natural hair. Yes, of course. I didn't want the hair bone straight. I wanted to maintain the kinky texture but without the volume, and I'm super happy with my results. Absolutely love it. The hair feels super light. I forgot to mention that I got so many compliments on this hair. A lot of people thought it was my hairline. I had to tell them it's a wig. This is me just feeling myself, feeling the hair, and yeah, I really love everything that this hair is giving. And guys, everything about this hair would be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and check out the link in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.